What's up, guys? This is Crazy Said What, and today I am 3D printing the poop emoji. Yay! If you want to print one out for yourself, I'll have the link and the settings down below in the description. If you don't have a 3D printer and you really want this, just go ahead and sub, like, and leave the word poop down in the comment section, and you'll be entered to win this. It's a 2" by 2". It's not something major or big, but I am giving this away to my subscribers, so go ahead and sub. I don't have that many subscribers, so your chances of winning is actually pretty high. And I'll be giving away several other 3D prints that I make, so yeah, why not subscribe? Hey, free 3D prints. Have you seen how much this shit costs in Shapeaway? Anyways, yeah, that's it for now. And y'all have an awesome day.